In this lab, you're going to encounter a new style of lab. It's called a discovery-based lab. Now, it's a little bit different than the ones that you've seen before. And by that, we mean you're going to be responsible for more of the lab itself. The lab manual is not going to tell you the procedure to walk through. It's not going to tell you what data you should be taking or what questions you should be asking. This falls on you. This is now your responsibility. In other words, this lab manual is not going to be as helpful as it has in the past. When you're working on this, you're going to probably be working in groups of 4. And you'll be able to work with your partners to figure out what questions you should ask, what experiments you should run, the hypothesis you should be testing, the data that you should take, and the charts that you should make. That implies that you're all going to get the same grade. And it's a good idea to designate one person to type up the lab report, and the other 3 can probably do the experiment. However, you want to make sure you include everyone in on this. Your lab report, as I said, is going to be graded as a group. Everyone's going to receive the same grade. And it's your responsibility to convince your TA or your instructor that what you're writing down, what you're presenting, the questions you've asked, show that you understand the material. So take this opportunity to look at your lab, review it, and figure out what questions you want to ask and what questions you think your TA wants answered. And those are the things that you should be addressing in your lab report.